The Super Kings from Chennai will lock horns with in-form Punjab Kings in match number 49 of IPL 2025, scheduled to take place at MH Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai on April of 30. It's been a disappointing season for CSK so far, with just 2 wins in 9 matches. They are languishing at the bottom of the points table and desperately need to turn the things around. The loss to Sunrisers Hyderabad in their previous outing had further dented their playoff hopes. Meanwhile, Punjab Kings sit comfortably in 5th position with 5 wins from 8 games. Their previous fixture was washed out, but they have looked balanced across departments. CSK will need to summon their best cricket, where conditions may favour spinners slightly to pull off a much-needed win. Now moving on to head-to-head record between these two teams. Chennai Super Kings and Punjab Kings have clashed 32 times in IPL history. CSK holds a slender edge with 17 wins, while Punjab Kings have won 15. This rivalry has been quite even in recent seasons, with both the teams having moments of dominance. Moving on to weather and pitch report. The surface at MH Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai is expected to play slowly, especially as the match progresses. The average first inning score here at this venue is 158 runs, and chasing teams are at break-even, having 50% win rate. Weather-wise, the conditions will be warm and humid with scattered clouds and a temperature of around 29 degrees Celsius with no threat of rain. Now, where to watch this match? Watch the live action on Star Sports Network in multiple languages. You can also stream the match live for free on Jio Hotstar applications and the website. Moving on to top fantasy picks for this match. Firstly, the top picks. Ravindra Jadeja from CSK, a crucial contributor with bat and ball at this venue. Prabhsimran Singh from Punjab Kings, in-form opener who smashed 83 runs in the last match. Now the captaincy picks. Priyansh Arya from Punjab, consistent top-order performer and the captain of Dream 11 Team 1. Ayush Matre from CSK, promising youngster, leading from the front as Dream 11 Team 2 captain. Now the budget picks for this match. Sam Curran from CSK, a true all-round threat available at an affordable price. Glenn Maxwell from Punjab, capable of turning the matches around with quick runs and handy off-spin. Now the probable playing 11s of both the teams. Firstly, the Chennai Super Kings. Ayush Matre opening alongside Sheikh Rashid, having Sam Curran at number 3, Devol Brevis at number 4, Shivam Dube at number 5, Ravi Jadeja at number 6, Deepak Hooda at number 7, MS Dhoni captain and wicket-keeper at number 8, Noor Ahmed at number 9, Khalil Ahmed at number 10, Matisha Patirana at number 11, and Anshul Kamboj can come in as the impact player. Moving on to Punjab Kings, Prabhsimran Singh and Priyansh Arya opening the innings, having Shreyas Iyer the captain at number 3, Josh Inglis the wicket-keeper at number 4, Nihal Vadera at number 5, Glenn Maxwell at number 6, Shashank Singh at number 7, Azmatullah Umarzai at number 8, Marco Jansen at number 9, Yuzi Chahal at number 10, Arshdeep Singh at number 11, and Harpreet Brar can come in as the impact player. Moving on to creamy part of Dream 11 teams. Firstly, Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Firstly, the wicket keepers, Prabhsimran Singh, batsmen are Shreyas Iyer, Shivam Dube, Priyansh Arya, Devol Brevis, and Ayush Matre. All-rounders are Ravi Jadeja and Marco Jansen, and the bowlers are Khalil Ahmed, Arshdeep Singh, and Noor Ahmed. This team will be led by Priyansh Arya as captain, having Ravi Jadeja as the vice captain. Now the Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket keepers are Prabhsimran Singh, batsmen are Shreyas Iyer, Shivam Dube, Priyansh Arya, and Ayush Matre. All-rounders are Ravi Jadeja, Glenn Maxwell, Sam Curran, and the bowlers are Arshdeep Singh, Noor Ahmed, and Matisha Patirana. This team will be led by youngsters, having Ayush Matre as captain and Prabhsimran Singh as vice captain. Now the players to avoid in this high-stakes match. Azmatullah Umarzai from Punjab hasn't made much of an impact in recent matches and could be a risky pick. Deepak Hooda from Chennai, despite a decent last game, his inconsistency this season makes him a risky fantasy option. Now the expert advice for this match. Safe league captaincy option is Priyansh Arya. Grand League captaincy option is Ayush Matre. Punt picks can be Sam Curran and Glenn Maxwell. An ideal Dream 11 team combination for this match is 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, and 3 bowlers. Now finally, the match winners prediction. Punjab Kings will enter this clash as clear favourites given their recent form. If Punjab bats first and puts up anything over 160, their bowlers should have enough to defend it on slightly slow chip-up track. Expect Priyansh Arya and Shreyas Iyer to anchor Punjab Kings' innings to another victory. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for more updates, match analysis, and Dream 11 predictions only on your favorite channel, Cricket Addictor.